Welcome to Mbuya Parent School and Kindergarten, situated in Kampala City with modern, well-equipped facilities plus extensive playing fields and amenities. Mbuya Parent School believes that a better future lies where children know how to find and create balances in themselves and the world around them. This explains our fusion of academic subjects and co-curricular activities. There are many opportunities presented to them to flourish both in and outside the classroom.
I want to become a president when I grow up.
I want to be a pilot.
I will be the best fashion designer.
Mbuya Parent School, the sky is our limit.
Our beloved learners, this is Teacher Nelly. I believe you are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. I welcome you all to this lesson of mathematics, primary 2 class, and this is our second lesson. Last time I left you with an activity. I believe you've done the numbers, and I want us to go through the work together in form of corrections, and you see how you've done it. Okay, activity 1 was saying, add these numbers correctly. Add these numbers correctly. Part A was saying, 121 plus 133. Now children, when you look at these figures, 121 and 133, we can't add them at once. They are quite big. Are we together? So we have to arrange them the way they are. Then we give them place values, so that the ones which are under ones fall alone, the ones under tens also alone, then the ones under hundreds also stay together for easy addition. Good. Now, having written the numbers, I said the first step is to give place values. These ones fall under ones, and ones is represented with the letter O. Okay? Then we go to tens, represented by letter T, then also hundreds, which is having H. Having given the numbers to these children, we separate the place values. We separate ones from tens and from hundreds, so that our work look neat. Are we together? Good. Now let's separate them. I believe you also did this. Separating ones from tens, then also tens from hundreds. Now from here, children, we add the numbers. This time we are not going to, I'm not going to use the counters. I want to use the small balls. I believe you used your count last time when you were adding them. Okay, we have now 1 plus 3. We draw here one ball, like that. Then these ones are 3, 1, 2, and 3. We count all the balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here under ones, we have our answer as 4. That's not the answer. Let's go to tens. Tens, we have 2 plus 3. We draw balls as well. Here we draw 2, 1, 2. Here 3, 1, 2, 3. So we count all the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under tens we have number 5. Still we have this place value. We have not yet added the figures. Hundreds. Let's also add these ones together. Get under hundreds. Here we have 1 plus 1. When you count those balls, you find that our answer is 2. Okay? Now, this one is our answer. 54. 254. That one becomes our answer. Now you get your ruler, then you underline your work neatly. just like I've done. So that was the answer for part A. Let's look at part B, which is saying 245 plus 211, which is here. Following the steps, place values, ones, tens, then hundreds. We separate the place values by drawing a vertical line, just like this. Then from there, we draw balls. You can even draw sticks if you want. Okay, let's use sticks. Here is 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then plus 1. We count the number of sticks. Let's count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 here become the answer under ones. Okay? Now, having added the ones alone, we now go to tens and we also add. Under tens, we have these two figures, 4 plus 1. Let's draw the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1. We count all the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write here 5. That is the answer under tens. Okay, let's go to the next figures. 2 plus 2. We also draw sticks. 1, 2. Plus 1, 2. Then we count all the sticks together. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So under hundreds, we have number 4. So this figure, we read it as 456. That one is our answer. Did you get the same answer? Good. All right, let's go to part C. Part C is saying 408 plus 351, which I've written here. We are going to give place values as usual. Ones, tens, then hundreds. After that, we separate by drawing vertical lines. Now here we draw balls. This is 8. Under ones, we have 8 plus 1. So here we draw 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1. Good. Now let's count all the balls together, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have our answer. Let's go to tens. 0 plus 5. Children, if you remember very well, I said that 0 is nothing. So we don't draw balls on 0. Are we together? So we shall leave this 0 the way it is, because it's nothing. We draw balls here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we write 5 down as our answer. So under tens, we only have number 5. Let's go to hundreds, which is saying 4 plus 3. Draw here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 3. 1, 2, 3. We count all the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So under hundreds, we have number 7. And when you're reading this figure, it is 759. Did you pass that number as well? I believe so. Thank you so much. Let's go to our last number, or the last part. 612 plus 250. Which is here. Good. Give place values. Give the numbers place values. Ones with the O, tens with the T, then hundreds having H to represent hundreds. After that, we separate the place values, just like I'm doing. And I believe you also did the same. Good. All right. When you look at ones, we have 2 plus 0. And from the previous example, children, we said that 0 is nothing. So leave the 0. Let's draw here. Let's use sticks as well. 1, 2. Do we have anything to draw for 0? No. Let's leave it. So here we write number 2. We go to tens. Plus 5. 1. When you count the sticks together, children, you realize that we get number 6 as our answer for 1 plus 5 under tens. Let's go to hundreds. We draw here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2. 1, 2. Let's count the balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is our answer. After doing that, children, it's important to underline. Put the 2 lines to show that you've got the right answer. I believe we all did our work well. Thank you so much for the work well done. Okay, children. Now, I want you to be very attentive. We are going to look at a different thing today. And our heading is addition involving words. Addition involving words. Now, we have the words related to addition. The words we use when adding numbers. We have words like this. Which word is this? Sum. Sum. The word sum can also be used to mean addition. Have the word sum. Still in addition, we also use this word all together. All together. Good. The word all together can also be used to mean addition. Okay, still in addition, we can use this word. This is the word more. More. Have the word more. Good. We can also use this word when adding numbers. Plus. Plus. So when you come across this word, just know they are telling you to add. Good. Yes, children, there are very many words which can be used to mean addition. We have this one as well. This is the word total. Total. The word total can also be used to mean addition. Now, having looked at the words related to addition, I want us to look at the examples, where we can use some of these words to mean addition. Examples. Examples. Let's look at example 1. What is, use another color, what is 5 plus 2. Let's read the question together. What is 5 plus 2? We said that this word can also mean addition. Are we together? So now we are going to add 5 to 2. What we do, we copy those figures this way. Let's copy it. Copy them. 5 plus, what do we get? When you add 5 to 2, what do you get? Children, we can use balls as well. Let's count the balls here. 5 plus 2. Here we draw 5. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then plus 2. 1, 2. We count the total numbers of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the answer is 7. Are we together? That is example 1. Let's look at example 2. Let's use the name Peter. Peter has 12 pencils. Peter has 12 pencils. Let's look at Jane also. How many pencils does Jane have? Jane has 15 pencils. Jane has 15 pencils. How many pencils? How many pencils? How many pencils do they have? How many pencils do they have all together? How many pencils do they have all together? Okay, we can as well go through the question together. Peter has 12 pencils. Jane has 15 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? Say this word, all together, means addition. Now what we are going to do, children, let us first give them place values so that we can arrange them well. So here we give place value ones and tens. We come to Peter's pencils also, we give place values ones and tens. Now, having given them place values, we are going to extract we bring that we can easily add 12 pencils, which is for Peter. Remember to write the word pencils. It is our unit. Pencils. Plus the pencils for Jane, which is 15. Plus 15 pencils. Plus 15 pencils. Good. Now here, children, we go back to how we were adding our numbers. We give place value ones and tens. Separate ones from tens. Okay? Remember, you're supposed to use your ruler. Then we also draw lines where we're going to write our answers from. Okay? Just like I've done. Good. Now here, children, we add alone and tens alone. Remember, we want to get the total number of pencils these two children have. Now here is 2 plus 5. We draw 2 balls, 1, 2. Plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. The figures have to be on the same line. Good. Let's go to tens. It is 1 plus 1. We count all. 1, 2. So under tens we have number 2. Okay? So this one we read it as 27. 27. But 27 is not the answer. There's something which is missing in your answer. What is that? The word pencils. The word pencils is our unit. So here you write the word pencils. Okay? Meaning that our answer is 27 pencils. Are we together? Good. Now, I want us to look at the last number. What is the sum of 3 and 2? Okay? Now when you look at this question, children, they have written even these ones in words. See the word 3 and the word 2. So let us write in figures first of all. It is 3 plus 2. What do we get? We draw here balls. 3, 1, 2, 3. Plus 1, 2. We count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. But now since they have given in words, children, we can't leave our answer like this. So we have to write our answer also in words. So you write the word 5. And that is our answer. Are we together? Thank you so much for listening. I would like to give you an activity, but before the activity, children, I first want us to sing a song. Stand up, everybody, and we sing. Stand up. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Come tomorrow and get a bottle of soda. Come tomorrow and get a bottle of soda. Clap, clap, and get a bottle of soda. Clap, clap, and get a bottle of soda. Wave, wave, and get a bottle of soda. Wave, wave, and get a bottle of soda. Wow. Thank you so much. But don't come for a bottle of soda. We're just singing. Okay, now let's look at the activity. The activity is saying read and draw. Read and add. Read and add. Part A, what is the sum of 4 and 6? What is the sum of 4 and 6? We looked at the words related to addition. Part B, Tina has 10 books. Sarah has 9 books. How many books do they have all together? How many books do they have all together? Mind the words. They have written in words, so your answer also should be in words. Okay, let's go to part C. There were 100 pupils in a school. 50 more pupils joined the school. How many pupils are in the school? It is very important to first indicate the place value so that you arrange the figures in the right positions or the right order of the place value. Thank you so much for listening. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.